This is how to enable silent mode on the iPad Air 4. From the top right, swipe down with your finger, and then you'll see a list of icons. The icon you want to click is the bell, and you can see now I click the bell. It's got a red line through it, and at the top right it said, well, it went away now, but it said silent mode enabled. So silent mode is now enabled. That's how you do it. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.